Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, February 13th. After a couple of days of abundant and persistent low cloudiness, we've finally seen some good sunshine out there under partly cloudy skies, and we anticipate the next couple of days to be rather pleasant as we get a bit of a warm up. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, did start to see a little bit of a warm up start in the tidewater yesterday with temperatures between the 50s and 60s. Here at Wallops, we got up to 50 degrees, seeing temperatures elsewhere in the mid to upper 40s. Cool spot yesterday in Baltimore that still was just above freezing for a high yesterday. This morning did see some more mild lows across the region in the lower to mid 40s, areas to the north seeing lows just below 40 degrees. Did see that good amount of rainfall across the region yesterday. Many locations reporting around a half an inch. Dover was the wettest spot with just above an inch of rain. Here at Wallops, we got just above a half an inch. As of 9 a.m., seeing temperatures in the mid to lower 40s across the region, under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing those westerly winds at the surface and then remaining west-northwesterly up to about 3,000 feet at 40 knots, and then shifting southwesterly throughout the rest of the column from 48 knots to 6,000 feet, and then gradually increasing all the way up to 100 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just below 9,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that front and area of rain that moved across the region last night has moved well offshore this morning, and we're going to see some high pressure start to build in across the southeastern portion of the United States as that low remains across the northeast. That'll set up a bit of a tight pressure gradient across the mid-Atlantic region, giving us some breezy winds as we go into the late morning and early afternoon hours, seeing about a 60-70% chance of seeing a wind advisory today as we go into the early afternoon hours. Taking a look at our surface map here, we're seeing those temperatures still lingering in the 40s as we get that westerly wind continuing and that high pressure building in. We'll see those temperatures here at Wallops rise into the lower 50s, and we'll continue to see clouds decrease, becoming mostly sunny as we go towards the afternoon. Possibly seeing some lower level clouds in the around 4,000 or 5,000 feet pop up this afternoon, and then becoming mostly clear as we go into tonight. So taking a look at our forecast charts for today, you can see that high pressure is going to start building into the southeast with that pressure gradient tightening up across the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to help to increase our winds. We are starting to finally see those winds increase just a little bit here as we go towards the late morning hours, and those will continue to increase. Expect some wind gusts of 30 to perhaps 35 miles per hour as we go towards the afternoon today. As we go into tonight, that high pressure will continue to build into the southeast as that low across the northeast weakens and moves away. That'll help to relax that pressure gradient, and that'll decrease our winds. Expect those winds to die off after about 6 or 7 p.m. this evening, and then with winds remaining fairly light from the west as we go throughout tonight. By tomorrow morning, seeing mostly clear skies as that high pressure really takes control, and then we're also going to be continuing to see some westerly to southwesterly winds for tomorrow and Friday. That'll help to give us a nice some unseasonably warm temperatures across the region, especially as we go into our Friday. We're going to be seeing that southwesterly flow really develop for starting late Thursday. And by the time we get into Friday, we're going to be seeing those temperatures in the lower 60s under mostly cloudy skies. We are going to be seeing a wave approach the area as we go towards the weekend. You can see that kind of developing there across the south late Friday, and that's going to be impacting the area on Saturday. That is going to give us at least some rain here at Wallops. It's looking with better chances that we might actually see some wintry mix here at Wallops, possibly even some snow up areas north of Wallops. So that is something we'll be keeping an eye on here, but it does look like it's not going to be the best weekend for outdoor activities, and we're going to be seeing a return to some more winter-like weather this Saturday and Sunday. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing that high rise up to about 53 today, which is about 10 degrees above average this time of year. Westerly winds are going to increase to 13 to 18 knots and gusty this afternoon before decreasing to 8 to 13 knots near sunset this evening, then 6 to 11 knots from the west overnight, and then weakening a little bit further as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of Thursday with a low of 34 degrees expected for Thursday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for the rest of this morning, and then seeing scattered to perhaps broken deck near 4,000 feet develop as we go towards the mid to late afternoon hours. But then after sunset, should start to see those clouds decrease, and by midnight, just seeing a few clouds near 25,000 feet, and then by 8 a.m., seeing a few mid-level clouds creep in around 15,000 feet, few at 20, and then a scattered cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Seeing those tides this morning just half foot above normal. Looks like they should return to normal by this afternoon or this evening. For tomorrow, going to be partly cloudy early, and then we're going to be seeing some mid and upper level clouds move in, becoming mostly cloudy. Going to be high of 54 degrees tomorrow. Thursday night's going to be very mild with just the early low of 42, and then as that southwesterly flow really develops, we'll see those temperatures climb throughout much of the night under mostly cloudy skies. And then Friday looks like a very warm day. Temperature is close to 20 degrees above average this time of year under mostly cloudy skies. It is going to be breezy as that pressure gradient tightens a bit. So we're going to get those breezy southwesterly winds with that unseasonably warm day. So it should be a very pleasant day outside for February on Friday. Taking a look at our extended outlook, we're going to be seeing some very mild to unseasonably warm temperatures here Wednesday through Friday for the rest of this work week. And then we'll see those temperatures really start to change this weekend with a return to more seasonable winter-like temperatures. Like I mentioned before, we're going to get that week low moving across as the trough starts to dig in across the northeast during the United States. And that's going to give us a chance of some wintry mix, mainly in the afternoon and evening hours for Saturday here at Wallops, possibly seeing a little bit of snow up towards the Salisbury area. Still a little bit of a question mark on how far south that cold air will make it to determine what the precipitation is going to be. That temperature is going to likely drop throughout the day, so we're going to have to just keep an eye on that, and hopefully things will become clearer as we go into the next couple of days. Sunday looks like that system will be moved out. That's going to impact us on Friday, so Sunday is going to be mostly cloudy in the early, and then we're going to get another weak wave impact the area late on Sunday to give us a little round of rain with a high of 44. That system does look like it's going to remain as rain at this time. It's just going to be some isolated shower activity. Then as we go into Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be getting a little bit of high pressure building in, but it is going to remain chilly under mostly cloudy skies with those temperatures remaining in the 40s. On Tuesday, it looks like we are going to be seeing those temperatures drop throughout the day, so we might see those lows start warmer near 40 degrees and then slowly drop throughout the day on Tuesday. And then as we go into Tuesday night, possibly seeing another system that could potentially bring us some more wintry weather across portions of the Delmarva. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.